ENGWE X Series Foldable. Introducing the ENGWE X Series Foldable, the perfect choice for those seeking a versatile, powerful, and comfortable e-bike. With its exceptional performance, this all-terrain folding e-bike is designed to take you anywhere you desire. The X Series offers 3 distinct models, namely the X26, X24, and X20, each equipped with different tire sizes. Featuring a triple suspension system, a dual battery setup, and a Shimano 8-gear transmission system, these models ensure a smooth and efficient ride. Whether you prefer cruising on the road, conquering steep hills, or exploring off-road trails, the X Series is built to handle it all. In addition to its impressive capabilities, the X Series boasts a foldable design, allowing for easy storage and transportation. With a range of colors and accessories to choose from, you can personalize your e-bike to suit your preferences. The ENGWE X Series is not just an e-bike, it is an adventure machine waiting to be unleashed. Place your order today and prepare yourself for the exhilaration of riding the X Series. Pricing for the ENGWE X Series ranges from $899.99 to $2,799.98, depending on the model and configuration. Async, A1. The Async A1 e-bike is a cutting-edge vehicle inspired by Tesla's Cybertruck. This electric bike is built for all terrains, offering impressive power, speed, and range. With a 1,200-watt motor and a 1,920-watt-hour detachable battery, the A1 can reach up to 88 miles in speeds exceeding 28 miles per hour. Opting for the off-road feature adds more thrill and adventure to your rides. Featuring full suspension design, carbon belt drive, and smart ride technology, the A1 is perfect for city commuters, students, and outdoor enthusiasts. The standard A1 model is priced at $3,199, while the Pro version is available for $3,299. Razor Rambler 20 e-bike. Looking for a stylish and luxurious way to travel? Look no further than the Razor Rambler 20 e-bike. This electric bike is their most powerful yet, with a design inspired by classic mopeds. Its padded bench seat, big balloon tires, and sturdy steel frame ensure a comfortable ride on any surface. The Rambler 20 offers multiple riding options: pedal, electric pedal assist, or let the 500-watt motor do the work. With a full charge, you can reach speeds of up to 19.9 miles per hour and cover up to 16.6 miles. Convenient features like an LED headlight and taillight, front and rear disc brakes, and a dashboard display showing your speed, battery life, and power level make this bike a joy to ride. If you're in search of an electric bike that can handle city streets effortlessly and offers plenty of entertainment, the Rambler 20 is the perfect choice. And the best part? You can get it for just $999 at Best Buy. Acer enters. The latest Acer introduces electric bike from the renowned computer manufacturer. Acer is an innovative AI-powered product that is set to revolutionize urban commuting. Featuring a single motor hub that allows riders to customize its position, front, center, or back, the e-bike boasts an e-assist feature that adapts to the rider's pedaling strength, riding conditions, and preferred level of assistance. This feature is integrated into the intelligent vehicle control box, which also houses the battery pack. With a sleek design, the electric bike offers eco-friendly elements such as a recyclable frame, airless tires, and a rust-resistant carbon belt drive. Those seeking a personalized and comfortable ride in city streets will find the Acer introduces e-bike to be the perfect choice, blending sustainability with user-friendly and safety features. Priced at around $1,500, this high-end e-bike is expected to compete with other similar models in the market. Swytch e-bike. The Swytch e-bike is an innovative solution that can transform any bicycle into an electric bike within minutes. It comprises of a lightweight and compact battery pack that can be attached to the handlebars, along with a motorized wheel that replaces the front wheel. The battery pack features a built-in display that provides information on your speed, battery level, and power mode. With the Swytch e-bike, you have the option to choose from 5 levels of pedal assist or utilize the throttle for an extra boost whenever necessary. This kit is compatible with 99% of bicycles, including mountain bikes, road bikes, hybrid bikes, folding bikes, and even ladies' bikes. Its installation and removal process is simple, allowing you to effortlessly switch between your regular bike and the electric bike as desired. Furthermore, if you ever decide to change your bike, you can easily transfer the Swytch kit to a different bike frame. Not only is the Swytch e-bike convenient and versatile, but it is also cost-effective. With prices starting as low as $550, it is a much more affordable option compared to purchasing a brand new electric bike. Urtopia Chord e-bike. The Urtopia Chord e-bike offers a truly unique and sophisticated riding experience. With its piano-inspired design and music box-like sound, it combines art and technology seamlessly. The frame, created using liquid forging technology, is sleek and completely white. It also boasts advanced features such as a biometric unlock system, built-in navigation screen, GPS anti-theft feature, and a smart bar for music and other applications. Additionally, the Chord is equipped with a torque sensor that adjusts to your pedaling pace and a removable battery with various accessory options. All of this can be yours for just €2,499. Volcon Brat. The Volcon Brat is equipped with a 48-volt battery and a 750 watts motor, allowing it to reach impressive speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. With a range of 70 miles or more, this electric bike is perfect for long rides. It offers 4 different riding modes, catering to various preferences, from eco-friendly to full throttle. To ensure a smooth and comfortable ride, the Brat features hydraulic disc brakes, front and rear suspension, and low rolling resistance hybrid tires. Additionally, it comes with a 4-inch color LED screen as a standard feature. This screen can be synced with your phone via Bluetooth on the Volcon app, giving you complete control over your bike's data, such as speed, battery life, and distance traveled. For added convenience and security, the Brat includes a lockable storage compartment and a USB charging port for your electronic devices. You can choose between a sleek black or vibrant blue version of the bike. The Brat is available for pre-order now at a price of just $2,799. Electra Ponto Go. The Electra Ponto Go electric bicycle is truly one of a kind. With both a thumb throttle and pedal assist mode, this versatile sport utility e-bike offers you complete control. Its powerful 750-watt hub motor and long-lasting 625-watt-hour battery enable you to reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour with the throttle or 26 miles per hour with pedal assist. One of the greatest advantages of this e-bike is its impressive range of 60 miles per charge, allowing you to travel further without worrying about running out of electricity. What sets it apart even further is that you don't have to ride alone. Equipped with a spacious bench-style saddle, passenger handle, and foot pegs, you can enjoy the company of a friend while riding the Electra Ponto Go e-bike. To enhance visibility on the road, this bike features front and rear lights, turn signals, and a brake light. Even when carrying a heavy load, the hydraulic disc brakes, front suspension fork, and sturdy frame ensure a smooth and comfortable ride. The Electra Ponto Go e-bike is more than just a bike, it's a way of life. It allows you to express yourself, have fun, and create lasting memories with your loved ones. Currently, it is available for the price of $2,699.99. Fahrrad Wohnwagen Martha. The Martha e-bike trailer is a versatile and durable option for those with a Weber e-coupling on their bike or e-bike. Equipped with a foldable table, solar panel, battery bank, LED lighting, USB chargers, and more, this trailer is perfect for various uses such as a cozy bedroom, portable workplace, or even a small kitchen. With its insulated and cozy interior, the Martha e-bike trailer is an excellent travel companion for any adventure, whether it's a weekend retreat or a cross-country tour. Enjoy the benefits of cycling while having the comfort and convenience of a small RV. Pre-order the Martha e-bike trailer now for just $5,999.